Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Google bard.google.com, and I'm trying to get Google to write a simple script to open up a spreadsheet using Google Apps from Google Colab, and because Google bard.google does allow uh, to users to export the response and save directly to Colab, which is very cool. Uh, but bard.google doesn't appear to understand how to write code for Google Sheets, which is a gross misappropriation of Google's strengths, in my opinion. Anyway, long story short, the prompt was well, actually, there were a bunch of errors. The first prompt was, "You are a Google Scripts master. Write a Python script for Google Colab that prompts a user for the URL of a Google Sheet. Open the sheet, read the sheet." And here's the code. And I can tell you all three of these instances of the code did not work. And here's the proof of the last one. Enter title of the Google Sheet, and it doesn't matter what I put here, but I'll go ahead and write test sheet because that's what I was calling it, test sheet, and then I'll get the error. Module gspread has no attribute, create spreadsheet. All right, so there it is. Bar.google doesn't really speak Google Apps very well, at least not yet. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.